Epoxy flooring versus tile flooring. Which one is better? Dear friends, epoxy flooring and tiles each have their place. The choice very much depends on the aesthetic and functionality that you require. Both can offer an attractive solution in your bathroom, kitchen, or workspace. Neither option is inherently better than the other, but one is likely more suitable to your project than the other. You must consider your priorities when selecting your floor option. Here's our quick guide to comparing tiled flooring and epoxy floors for your project. Durability. Epoxy. As mentioned, epoxy is highly durable, particularly in environments where heavy-duty performance is required. Tile. Tile is also durable and resistant to water, but it can crack under heavy impact, and grout lines can become discolored or damaged over time. Maintenance. Epoxy. Easy to clean, with no grout lines to worry about. Tile. Regular cleaning is necessary to maintain the appearance of tiles and grout. Grout can be particularly challenging to maintain, as it tends to trap dirt and is prone to mold. Aesthetic appeal. Epoxy offers a seamless and glossy finish that can be customized for a unique look. Tile. Available in a wide range of designs, tiles can mimic natural stone, wood, or even intricate patterns, making it a versatile choice for both floors and walls. Cost. Epoxy. Often more affordable than high-end tiles, especially considering the absence of grout maintenance. Tile. Depending on the material and design, tile can range from affordable to high-end luxury pricing. Installation can also be labor-intensive, contributing to overall costs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more valuable and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.